Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Arbitrum ticker symbol ARB price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $1.29 mark. And yesterday we tried to break through a key area of resistance at around the $1.35 mark, where you can see that breakout to the upper side was not a success, and we have managed to get rejected, and we are seeing a bit of a pullback to the lower side. We also have a very nice chart pattern that is in formation here on the ARB chart, which I'll be showing to you. And before I do so, I want to first give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures. And before I do so, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, where you can see that after seeing our low at around the $1.1 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upper side obeying the Elliot structures, where we first saw that 1-2 setup to the upside, then started our Elliot structure right here in white, where we picked in that first wave in a move that gave us the all-time high at around the $1.8235 mark. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $1.4847 mark and the $1.2908 mark, which is the target area highlighted here on the chart using this blue target area. And since we have fully maximized this minimum target area in this wave 2, there are high chances that ARB very soon is going to start gearing up in what will be the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And if that is the case, and assuming that we are not going to see further breakdown here on the ARB chart, we can get a target area in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $2.3778 mark. And if that move plays out, then ARB will be able to give us a new all-time high in the formation of that wave 3. I also have a very nice chart pattern that has been in formation over here that also suggests that there are chances that we are going to see that massive pump to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And in my previous video, the chart pattern was a double bottom. And if I draw it out on the charts once more, we can have that as the first bottom giving us the low at around the $129.9 mark. Then we saw the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom. And you can see that after seeing the formation of the second bottom, we try to have that massive run up in what could have given us the breakout to the upper side, but you can see we managed to get rejected, and we are seeing another pullback to the lower side. And it will be ideal if ARB continues with the pullback back to the area at around the $129 mark, find support, and also give us another bottom, making the chart pattern a triple bottom. And once that happens, then from there we can start expecting higher prices in what could give us a breakout to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. And we can get that height and then place it above the neckline to get a minimum target area for the breakout at around the $1.4228 mark. So that is what you can expect in case we see further breakdown here on the ARB chart, get to our key area of support at around the $129.9 mark, that key area of support continues to hold and then start our reversal to the upper side in a move that could give us a breakout to the upper side, having the minimum target areas at around the $1.42 mark. But in case we lose that key area of support, then that would be suggesting even a more bearish scenario here on the ARB chart, and I hope that doesn't happen. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. And in case the breakdown to the key area of support plays out, that will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.